The concept of clean energy has become the trend recently. With climate change and other environmental issues, the global transition towards clean energy is considered as the most essential thing. What is this clean energy? Are clean energy and renewable energy the same? What is the difference between renewable energy and non-renewable energy? To get the answer for all these questions, continue watching. Hi, I'm Benila. This video is all about energy. If you want to know whether nuclear power plants produces clean energy, watch till the end of this video. For hundreds of millions of years, plants and animals have lived and died. Their remains have gotten buried deep beneath Earth's surface. The heat and pressure turned them to fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. The fossil fuels we have used over the past 200 years were formed over the past 500 million years. It takes millions of years to form, and we are removing them much faster than that. It is like we are emptying a bathtub with huge strain while refilling it with a tiny, slow drip. Even with the drip, the tub will still empty completely. In the same way, if we keep burning the fossil fuels at a current rate, it is estimated that all of fossil fuels will be depleted in near future. In other words, once these resources are used up, they cannot be replaced. This kind of resources is called non-renewable resources. Unfortunately, we are depending on non-renewable resources as our primary source of energy. We are burning fossil fuels to generate electricity, power transportation, and run industries. Now comes the question of sustainability. What happens when we run out of fossil fuels? What will be like to live a life without electricity and transportation? And this is not the only problem we have to face with non-renewable resources. Another major problem with this is burning fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, which is the major cause for climate change. Now we need a solution. We need resources that can fulfill our current energy needs without affecting future generations. That's when renewable energy comes into picture. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy is the energy we derive from many Earth's naturally available resources, including wind, water, and sun. These resources will be with us today, tomorrow, and years to come. Now, let's see few renewable energies we use now. Let's start with solar energy. Solar panels convert the light energy from the sunlight into electrical energy. Another important energy is wind energy. The wind turbines convert this wind energy into electrical energy. The Earth's gravity makes the water to flow downwards. The hydropower plants convert this flowing water into electrical energy. Now let's talk about the energy from moon. As the moon's gravitational pull generates tidal force. The tidal stream generators draws energy from water currents and converts it into electrical energy. We all know that in thermal power plants we burn coal and natural gas to produce steam which runs the turbine. As I said earlier, this coal and natural gas are non-renewable resources. If we can produce steam from renewable resources, then we will get renewable electricity. We have 3 different renewable power plants that uses the same thermal power plant technology. First one uses the Earth's internal heat to produce steam. This is called geothermal energy. This thermal energy is contained in the rock and fluids beneath Earth's crust. Second one produces heat from burning wood. Yes, biomass energy is derived from organic matter such as wood or crop waste. Third one uses the temperature difference between the ocean surface water and deep ocean water to produce steam. Ocean thermal energy conversion or OTEC produces renewable electricity. If you want to know more about this OTEC, I have got a video over here where I have explained this concept very clearly. Please do check it out. Electricity from renewable resources generally do not contribute much to climate change or air pollution. So, do you think renewable energy is clean energy? If not, what exactly is clean energy? Clean energy works by producing power without having negative environmental issues. Although the impacts are small, some renewable energy technologies can have an impact on the environment. For example, large hydroelectric resources can have environmental issues like deforestation. clean energy also means zero emission. For example, burning wood from sustainably managed forest can be renewable, but it is not clean since this releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So, overall, solar energy and wind energy are seen as being truly clean and renewable. The clean power source for engine is hydrogen fuel cells. Here, the electric motor is powered by the electricity generated from the hydrogen. When hydrogen gas is converted into electricity, just water and heat are released. That is, it produces zero harmful vehicle emissions. Now, what about nuclear energy? Is it a renewable or non-renewable energy? Nuclear power plants uses uranium. Although uranium is found in rocks all over the world, nuclear power plants usually uses a very rare type of uranium U-235. Therefore, it is a non-renewable energy. The best thing about the nuclear energy is that they produce clean energy. That is, they emit zero emissions. But the radioactive waste they produce can be extremely toxic. So, while building the nuclear power plant, safety should be given the first priority. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. You might also be interested to learn how to produce clean energy from space. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.